Struggling with charging your AirPods Pro? Let's get them juiced up again. Step 1. Check your cable and power source. Make sure the cable is securely plugged into your case and a working power adapter or computer. Step 2. Clean up. Use a damp cloth or cotton swab to clear any debris from the charging port and the contacts on your AirPods. Step 3. Swap it out. Try a different cable and charging adapter to rule out any faulty gear. Step 4. Try another outlet. Sometimes it's just the outlet that's the problem. Step 5. Go wireless. If your case supports wireless charging, give a key-compatible charger a whirl. Step 6. Reset time. Place your AirPods in the case, close the lid, wait 30 seconds, then press and hold the setup button until the light flashes amber and then white. Step 7. Charging via computer? Disable the case in your computer's settings and reconnect. If none of these steps work, contact Apple support or consider a service or replacement.